It only takes a few minutes to make a small ornament that will bring a festive atmosphere to your home. Take an empty 1-liter jar from the kitchen cupboard. Buy decorative Christmas stickers. Stick them on each side of the jar. I chose golden glittery stars. I bought them for pennies at a Chinese store. Stick the golden stars on the jar. A few in a few places will be enough. Cut a piece of pantyhose and insert the jar with stickers into it. Tie the jar with some ribbon or ribbon. Take small battery-powered LED lights. Place them inside the jar. Use hot glue to attach pieces of fur and baubles. You can also stick a couple of small pine cones. Put the lights inside the jar and screw the lid on. That's it. The ornament is ready. Place the glowing lantern on the shelf and enjoy the upcoming holidays. Glue cotton pads to styrofoam. I'll show you a quick and cheap way to make a Christmas decoration that will amaze everyone. Start with a styrofoam cone. The size is up to you. Next, take round cosmetic cotton pads. Fold a cotton pad in half, then fold it again into a small triangle. Glue the prepared cotton pad to the bottom of the styrofoam cone using hot glue. Attach the cotton pads side by side. Repeat this process for each row. Make sure the pads slightly overlap the previous row to give the decoration a layered effect. Glue the cotton pads evenly and at regular intervals. Continue until you reach the very top of the cone. Once done, glue a decorative Christmas star to the top. Done. This tree looks delicate and modern, fitting perfectly into any interior. The styrofoam cone transforms into a subtle Christmas tree that looks like it's covered in fluffy, snow-white snow. Thanks to the layered cotton pads, the decoration gains a 3-dimensional effect. You can store this decoration and reuse it for years to come. A lovely newspaper Christmas tree that's quick and budget-friendly to make. Start with a catalog or magazine with a sturdy spine. This is essential for stability. Fold all the pages as shown, making sure to be as precise as possible. Next, grab a hot glue gun. Apply a line of glue along the spine and gently roll the folded pages into a cone shape. Repeat this process for each page to transform the catalog into a cone-like structure. Take spray paint in the color of your choice. I chose gold. Carefully spray the entire surface of the cone, ensuring each page is evenly coated for a uniform look. Let the paint dry completely. Then, using the hot glue gun, attach a decorative star to the top of the tree. Add small stars or other ornaments for extra charm. These details give the tree a unique character. Your homemade Christmas tree is ready. This elegant and original decoration is perfect for a table or shelf. It's a wonderful addition to any holiday decor, bringing a warm and festive atmosphere to your home.
For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost a meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully.
Beautiful glass Christmas ornament with a snowman inside. You just need one large coffee jar, preferably with the right shape. Take paper tape and stick it on the jar in the shape of a window, just like I do in the video. This will be the most important part of the jar when it becomes a Christmas ornament, so take your time with it. Once you have the jar covered with tape, you will need acrylic paint and a sponge for application. Use white paint and apply it to the untaped part of the jar. Paint the entire jar in this way and let it dry. When the jar is dry, remove the paper tape. On the edge of the created window, attach small spruce branches with hot glue. Do it in a way that preserves the shape of the window. You can also add artificial rowan berries to them. Attach them also with hot glue. Put a bit of cotton at the bottom of the jar. In Christmas decorations, it looks like snow and will be the perfect element of this ornament. On the cotton in the jar, place a snowman or another figurine you have at home. Glue some decoration onto the jar lid. I used an artificial poinsettia flower. I glued it with hot glue, and it's done. A beautiful ornament made from a Nescafe coffee jar will decorate any shelf in your home. Children can move it to different places and enjoy its view throughout Christmas.
Beautiful Christmas decoration made from cups. It became a sensation on the internet, and kids love it. Prepare 500 white plastic cups, the regular disposable ones, and a stapler. With them, you can create a lovely snowman. Arrange the cups in a circle. Staple them together tightly so that they fit snugly against each other. Then arrange another layer on top of them. Staple the cups to the bottom layer and to the cup next to them. Repeat until you form a hemisphere. Repeat the process. When you have two similar hemispheres, connect them using the stapler. This will be the bottom of our snowman. Next, repeat the process, creating a smaller sphere. When it's ready, place one sphere on top of the other. Connect them using staples or hot glue. Make a cone from an orange sheet of paper. Cut out 5 circles from a black sheet. Attach white dots to 2 of them. Cut out a hat for the snowman from cardboard. Take a red scarf and tie it at the junction of the 2 spheres. Insert a nose into one cup. Attach eyes and buttons using hot glue. Finally, put the hat on the snowman's head, and it's ready. Such a cute snowman will delight the eye throughout the Christmas. Whether it's snowing outside or not, just add lights to make it beautifully decorate the room after dark. Kids love this decoration. It's adorable.